In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly with Skype and other apps. If you're someone who wants to ensure your text messages are clear, professional, and grammatically correct, you're in the right place. We all know the importance of effective communication, especially in professional settings, and Grammarly is a great tool to help with that. So, let's dive right into how you can integrate this amazing tool with Skype, ensuring your messages are polished to perfection. To begin, you'll first need to open your browser and navigate to the Skype website. You can do this by simply typing web.skype.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you might see a prompt to log into your Skype account. If you've saved your login details, this should be a breeze. Otherwise, just enter your username and password and you'll be ready to go. After successfully logging in, direct yourself to the chat feature within Skype. This is where you'll be able to compose messages, and importantly, this is where Grammarly can assist you. You might be wondering if Grammarly is automatically enabled once you've logged in. Thankfully, if you have the Grammarly browser extension installed, it should automatically integrate with Skype and other web applications, providing real-time suggestions and corrections. As you type your messages in Skype, you'll notice Grammarly underlining any errors or suggestions. This is the magic of Grammarly at work, aiming to ensure that your communication is both effective and mistake-free. Simply hover over any underlined section to see detailed suggestions on how to improve your writing. For those using Grammarly, be aware of the small green icon that appears in your text box. By clicking on this icon, you're able to delve deeper into Grammarly's suggestions, ensuring you can choose the best alternative for your intended message. Grammarly doesn't just stop at correction. It also offers suggestions on style and tone, which can be incredibly helpful depending on your audience. You can choose these suggestions individually, allowing you to maintain control over your personal writing style while ensuring clarity and professionalism. Additionally, Grammarly goes beyond correcting your sentences. It can help you generate complete responses. This feature can be extremely useful if you're short on time and need to reply promptly. By using these features, you'll find your Skype messages are clearer and more impactful, ensuring your audience understands you perfectly. Furthermore, Grammarly is versatile and works similarly within other apps, making it an indispensable tool for your online interactions. So, take advantage of this powerful tool, enhance your communication, and make your messaging shine with confidence. Thanks for following along, and happy typing.